Geographical diversity of India 130 very short questions and answers. Envelope General Geography. Q. What sets India apart geographically? A. Its vast and diverse landscapes. Q. Which Indian astronaut praised India from space? A. Rakesh Sharma. Q. What phrase did Rakesh Sharma use to describe India from space? A. Sare Jahan se acha. Q. What is India often called due to its geography? A. A mini continent. Q. What continent part is India located in? A. South Asia. Q. Name India's neighboring countries forming the subcontinent. A. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar. Q. What influences India's culture and way of life? A. Geography. Q. What marks India's northern boundary? A. The Himalayas. Q. Which ocean borders India to the south? A. Indian Ocean. Q. What natural elements shape India's ecosystems? A. Mountains, rivers, deserts, coasts. Sunrise the Himalayas. What protects India from the north? A. The Himalayas. Q. What does Himalaya mean? A. Abode of snow. Q. Which Himalayan range is the highest? A. Himadri. Q. What is the middle range of the Himalayas? A. Himachal. Q. Which range contains dense forests? A. Sivalik Hills. Q. Name 3 rivers from the Himalayas. A. Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra. Q. What are the Himalayas known as? A. Water Tower of Asia. Q. What created the Himalayas? A. Collision of India and Eurasia. Q. How much do the Himalayas grow each year? A. About 5 millimeters. Q. What is the highest peak in India? A. Kanchenjunga. Q. Which famous hill stations lie in Himachal range? A. Shimla, Darjeeling, Mussoorie. 1. 12. 13. 14. Himachal is a UNESCO site. A. Great Himalayan National Park. Q. Which range forms the transition to the plains? A. Sivalik Hills. Q. What does snow melt from the Himalayas feed? A. Rivers. Q. Which countries do the Himalayas extend into? A. India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Pakistan, Afghanistan. Page with curl. The cold desert, Ladakh 10. What is India's cold desert? A. Ladakh. Q. How cold does Ladakh get in winter? A. Below -30 degrees Celsius. Q. What type of landscape is Ladakh known for? A. Moonland. Q. Name a lake in Ladakh. A. Pangong Tso. Q. What major wild animal is found here? A. Snow leopard. Q. Name an animal used in Ladakh. A. Yak. Q. What do yaks provide? A. Milk, meat, wool, dung, transport. Q. Name a Ladakhi festival. A. Losar. Q. What kind of terrain does Ladakh have? A. Rocky and dry. Q. What kind of rainfall does Ladakh receive? A. Very little. Rice plant the Gangetic Plains. What lies south of the Himalayas? A. Gangetic Plains. Q. What type of soil is in these plains? A. Fertile. Q. Name 3 rivers of the plains. A. Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra. Q. What crops are grown here? A. Rice and wheat. Q. What animal is protected under Project Tiger? A. Tiger. Q. Name a nearly extinct reptile here. A. Indian gharial. Q. What is India's national bird? A. Peacock. Q. What supports trade in the plains? A. Roads, railways, rivers. Q. What brings minerals to the soil? A. Himalayan rivers. 2. 10. Q. What does Brahmaputra mean? A. Son of Brahma. Hibiscus the Thar Desert 10. A. Western India. Q. Name 2 desert states. A. Rajasthan, Gujarat. Q. What forms dunes in Thar? A. Wind. Q. What animal is used for transport here? A. Camel. Q. What is Jaisalmer known as? A. The Golden City. Q. Name a desert water conservation method. A. Tanka. Q. What is used to clean utensils in Thar? A. Sand. Q. What is a local water tank called? A. Kund. Q. Name a desert fair. A. Pushkar Mela. Q. Why do women travel far in Thar? A. To fetch water. Mountain the Aravalli Hills. 10. How old are the Aravalli Hills? A. About 2.5 billion years. Q. What is the highest peak? A. Mount Abu. Q. What do Aravallis prevent? A. Desert expansion. Q. Name a mineral from Aravallis. A. Zinc. Q. What state has the Zawar mines? A. Rajasthan. Q. Name a hill fort in Aravallis. A. Chittorgarh. Q. Name another fort in these hills. A. Kumbhargarh. Q. What hills span Delhi and Gujarat? A. Aravalli Hills. Q. What is mined from these hills? A. Marble and granite. Q. Who used the hills for protection? A. Rajput kings. 3. 10. 1. Q. What is a plateau? A. Elevated flat land. Q. What shape is the peninsular plateau? A. Triangular. Q. Which seas surround the plateau? A. Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. Q. Name two major rivers flowing westward. A. Narmada and Tapti. Q. What is the Deccan Plateau? A. A large flat highland between eastern and western Ghats. Q. Which mountains lie to the west of the plateau? A. Western Ghats. Q. Which Ghats are taller? A. Western Ghats. Q. What supports farming and power here? A. Rivers. Q. Name a tribal community from this region. A. Gond. Q. Name a famous waterfall on the plateau. A. Kariakanal Falls. Beach with umbrella India's coastlines. 10. How long is India's coastline? A. Over 7,500 kilometers. Q. Water deltas. A. Fertile land formed at river mouths. Q. Which coast has more deltas? A. East Coast. Q. Water estuaries. A. Areas where river meets sea. Q. Which rivers form estuaries? A. Narmada and Tapti. Q. Which coast has Mumbai? A. West Coast. Q. Name a lagoon on the east coast. A. Chilika Lake. Q. Which coast is ideal for ports? A. West Coast. Q. What kind of land is on the east coast? A. Wide plains and deltas. Q. What supports farming on the east coast? A. Rivers like Godavari and Krishna. Desert island Indian islands. Talent group lies in the Arabian Sea. A. Lakshadweep. Q. How many islands are in Lakshadweep? A. 33. 4. What kind of islands are Lakshadweep? A. Coral islands. Q. What supports livelihood here? A. Fishing. Q. What island group lies in Bay of Bengal? A. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Q. How many islands are there in total? A. Over 500. Q. What is Barren Island known for? A. Active volcano. Q. What is special about these islands? A. Unique biodiversity. Q. What kind of reefs are found here? A. Coral reefs. Q. Why are they strategically important? A. Due to naval docks and location. Tiger face Sundarbans and Northeast Hills. 10. Q. What kind of forest is in the Sundarbans? A. Mangroves. Q. Which river delta forms Sundarbans? A. Ganga and Brahmaputra. Q. What animal lives in the Sundarbans? A. Royal Bengal tiger. Q. What status does Sundarbans have? A. UNESCO World Heritage Site. Q. Where is the Meghalaya Plateau? A. Northeast India. Q. Name 3 hill ranges in Meghalaya. A. Garo, Khasi, Jaintia. Q. Which village is the cleanest in Asia? A. Molinong. Q. What bridges are famous here? A. Living root bridges. Q. What festival celebrates nature? A. Shadsak Maising. Q. What kind of rainfall occurs here? A. Heavy rainfall. Pushpin terms and revision. 25. 1. 2. Continent. A. A large part of a continent. Q. What are landforms? A. Natural features of Earth. Q. What is biodiversity? A. Variety of life forms. Q. Water tributaries. A. Rivers flowing into a larger river. Q. What is a glacier? 5. A. A moving ice mass. 7. 2. What is a peninsula? A. Land with water on three sides. Q. What is an estuary? A. River meets sea, mixes water. Q. What is an archipelago? A. Group of islands. Q. What are mangroves? A. Trees growing in salty water. Q. Why is India called a mini continent? A. Due to diverse geography. Q. Why is the Himalaya called water tower? A. It feeds rivers. Q. Why are Gangetic plains fertile? A. River deposited minerals. Q. What is Tanka? A. Rainwater storage system. Q. What mineral is mined in Aravallis? A. Zinc. Q. Name one west flowing river. A. Tapti. Q. What kind of forests are in Western Ghats? A. Dense and rich in biodiversity. Q. What makes coastal areas fertile? A. River deltas. Q. What are root bridges made of? A. Woven tree roots. Q. What is Periyakanal known for? A. Waterfalls. Q. What supports tourism in the plateau? A. Waterfalls and forests. Q. What is used to celebrate harvests? A. Festivals. Q. What protects biodiversity in India? A. National parks. Q. Name a region with coral reefs. A. Andaman Islands. Q. What supports coral reef life? A. Warm, shallow seas. Q. Why are India's rivers sacred? A. They are named after goddesses. End of document.